anti-spin buzzsaw flower, the full buzzsaw version. You need a bit of experience with, anti-spin. So this is in spin, this is anti-spin. Prerequisite is that you're playing with that, and that you've got your forward buzzsaw feeling good, and your backward buzzsaw feeling good, and that you're able to turn in spin, like this. Backward buzzsaw, forward buzzsaw. If that's rolling, you're ready to learn to anti-spin it. Is you break it down, you first learn it in same time. Simple as that. So you're going to mirror me. So you face me, and as a mirror we turn this way. You want your poi to fit comfortably inside your arms, and we're both going to spin forward same time. Okay. So look where the poi comes swooping down. What you were doing before is going with them to get to here, with them to get back to forwards. We're going to do the opposite. Instead of swooping down with the poi, as the poi are swooping down, your arms are going to go up and you're going to let the poi go bing into backward buzzsaw. Simple. And make sure your arms don't follow the flight path of the poi. Your arms are going to go like this. You're going to have to make your arms move in true circles. So keep your elbows straight. So forwards, swoop to backwards. And then what you're going to do is see where the poi are coming up. Your arms are going to go down, the poi are going to go up to get to here. So they come down at the top to get to backwards, and up at the bottom to get to forwards. Down at the top, up at the bottom. And then eventually you'll be able to roll it down at the top, up at the bottom, down at the top, up at the bottom. So that's the big prerequisite number one. When that is smooth and you can groove that, which means you're like down and up and down and up, and you can chew bubble gum and it's just all swoopy doop, you can move on to the split time version. And the split time version, again, you follow the hand you're turning towards. So I'm going to follow my yellow poi. You'll follow your right poi. And you're going to go down, down, in, in. You want to get both inside your arms again. From here, you're going to follow your left poi, the poi you're turning towards. You're going to go up, up, in. Left is leading, back inside the arms. My right is leading inside the arms. Left leads, right leads, left leads, right leads. If this wasn't really smooth, it probably won't work. To reverse it all, just everything starting the other way, so face this with me. Now you'll start with your left poi again, same time inside the arms, same time inside the arms, and make sure it's in one swoop. Same time, both back inside the arms, swoop, both inside the arms. Swoop inside, swoop inside, swoop inside, swoop. Now the split time version does have a slightly different rhythm, but you don't need to worry about that. Just start in buzzsaw, and you go your left leads, then your right leads. Left leads and right leads and left leads and right, boom, 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 left and right, boom, 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 left and right, right, right. Boom, 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 boom.